how to remove card from Google Play. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually remove your card from Google Play, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove your card from Google Play, all you have to do is first of all open up Google Play Store. Now maybe you purchased an application before which was a premium app, and then you had to enter your credit or debit card for that, and you haven't yet removed the card but you want it to be removed from your Google account. So in order to do that, first of all open up your Play Store as you would normally do, then just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right, over here you'll find the option called payments and subscriptions. So all you need to do is just go to payments and subscriptions, and as and when you go to payments and subscriptions, if you look at the very top of the screen, you'll find an option that says payment method. So you want to just tap on the payment method button. As you tap on the payment method button over here, if you have added any type of card, you'll be able to see them here, and then you will also find the option to remove them. If you've not yet added, then you'll just see a plain blank option that says add credit or debit card, or you can go to more payment settings. In order to find the card that you've added, in case you don't find it within the app, it will just take you there. Then from there you can simply remove all of the cards that you might have added to your Google account. And that is it for today's video on how you can actually remove your card from Google Play. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.